Previous year question and answer solution of Stream Electronics Engineering, Semester 7, Subject, Internet of Things. 21. Which of the following can be a security concern for IoT devices? A. Unauthorized access to data. B. Interception of communication. C. Device hijacking. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. 22. What is the role of artificial intelligence, AI, in IoT? A. To increase the power consumption of devices. B. To automate data collection. C. To analyze data and make autonomous decisions. D. To enhance communication protocols. Answer: C. To analyze data and make autonomous decisions. 23. Which of the following is a major challenge in IoT implementation? A. Lack of internet connectivity. B. Data privacy and security. C. High power consumption. D. Insufficient processing power in devices. Answer: B. Data privacy and security. 24. What is a common IoT device used in smart home automation? A. Smart refrigerator. B. Smart thermostat. C. Smart door lock. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. 25. What is the main advantage of using MQTT protocol in IoT applications? A. High security. B. Low power consumption and bandwidth usage. C. Complex data exchange. D. Low data transmission speed. Answer: B. Low power consumption and bandwidth usage. 26. Which of the following is an IoT device used for healthcare monitoring? A. Smart thermostat. B. Wearable fitness trackers. C. Smart refrigerator. D. Smart speaker. Answer: B. Wearable fitness trackers. 27. What is the role of the application layer in an IoT system? A. Data collection and transmission. B. Data security. C. Provides user interfaces and data access. D. Sensor and actuator management. Answer: C. Provides user interfaces and data access. 28. What is the key difference between IoT and traditional networks? A. IoT uses wired connections only. B. IoT devices communicate with minimal human intervention. C. IoT requires more power. D. Traditional networks use cloud computing. Answer: B. IoT devices communicate with minimal human intervention. 29. Which of the following communication protocols is designed for the IoT devices that require extremely low power consumption? A. Zigbee. B. Bluetooth Low Energy, BLE. C. LoRaWAN. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. 30. What is the function of a data aggregator in IoT? A. Collect and aggregate data from multiple IoT devices. B. Process data locally. C. Control actuator devices. D. Provide user interfaces. Answer: A. Collect and aggregate data from multiple IoT devices. 31. Which type of network topology is commonly used in IoT? A. Star topology. B. Bus topology. C. Mesh topology. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. 32. Which of the following is a cloud-based platform for IoT device management? A. Google Cloud IoT. B. Microsoft Azure IoT Hub. C. Amazon Web Services, AWS IoT. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. 33. In IoT, the term smart grid refers to A. A network for managing large data traffic. B. A system for automating grid infrastructure. C. A new type of sensor for communication. D. An energy-efficient storage device. Answer: B. A system for automating grid infrastructure. 34. What is the purpose of using smart sensors in IoT systems? A. To detect and monitor real-world conditions. B. To process data at the sensor itself. C. To transmit data wirelessly. D. To store data for offline processing. Answer: A. To detect and monitor real-world conditions. 35. What is a key feature of 5G technology for IoT? A. Low latency and high data rates. B. High power consumption. C. Limited device connectivity. D. Slow data transmission speed. Answer: A. Low latency and high data rates. 36. Which of the following technologies is used for long-range communication in IoT? A. Zigbee. B. Bluetooth. C. LoRa. D. NFC. Answer: C. LoRa. 37. In IoT, the perception layer is responsible for A. Data storage and processing. B. User interface management. C. Collecting data from the environment. D. Transmitting data to the cloud. Answer: C. Collecting data from the environment. 38. What does IoT analytics refer to? A. Processing and analyzing the data collected from IoT devices. B. Transmitting data to IoT devices. C. Collecting data from sensors. D. Managing device firmware. Answer: A. Processing and analyzing the data collected from IoT devices. 39. What is interoperability in the context of IoT? A. The ability of devices from different manufacturers to work together seamlessly. B. The ability to communicate over long distances. C. The ability to store data locally. D. The ability to use the same communication protocol. Answer: A. The ability of devices from different manufacturers to work together seamlessly. 40. What is the primary function of an IoT quote-unquote actuator? A. To collect environmental data. B. To process and analyze data. C. To control physical devices based on data analysis. D. To transmit data to the cloud. Answer: C. To control physical devices based on data analysis.